Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm Joseph Novichkov, Senior Trading Manager with GDM. Today's outlook, briefly, we will start with the weak finish overnight in the US that actually weighed on Asian stock markets on Thursday, including China, where of course shares paired early gains despite the announcement of much needed IPO reforms. The Chinese markets lost a little bit of momentum in the late afternoon trade, shaving gains from early morning on the back of news of long-anticipated initial public offering reforms in the country. The Shanghai Composite Index closed down 16 points, or about 0.5% at 3,456. Also tracking, the Japanese stocks closed at 1-month low and moved close to the 19K mark after the Nikkei 225 index finished 255 points lower at 19,046. The yen, however, is slightly lower at 121.67 from the previous standing of 121.36. London FTSE index is expected to open with about 31 points lower, and also the German DAX as well, down with about 58 points. As well as we're awaiting the policy meeting from the Bank of England, where of course the rate at the historic low 0.5% is expected to be unchanged since March 2009. Of course, the asset purchase program, which is currently at 375 billion pounds, is also expected to be unchanged. Gold in the commodity sector is sidelining, as well as investors are a bit skittish from the falling dollar that triggered interest in the metal. Gold was little changed at 1073.31 an ounce in early Asian trade after it closed down 0.1%. Bullion investors are cautious as the US central bank is expected to raise rates for the first time in nearly a decade at its next policy meeting on December 15 and 16. Crude oil prices in the energy sector edged slightly higher early on Thursday, supported by the fall in US crude inventories after 10 straight weeks of builds. But of course, global supply and cheap oil are still dominating the broader market. Crude inventories fell 3.6 million barrels in the week ended December 4, compared with expectations for about 252,000 barrels increase. That was a report from the Energy Administration yesterday. Also tracking the 24 cents that actually the oil settled from its previous mark, which was close to the $37 a barrel, which was down 11% since the beginning of December. A huge slump in energy sector. That's all for today. Keep an eye on the Bank of England for all investors and traders. Everything is expected to be unchanged. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.